Hi, my name's Yana. I'm going to demonstrate to you two wrapping techniques today to show you what you would do to prepare different types of kits for sterilization. So I'm going to uh, get ready to get started with the square fold wrap. So I have my hairnet on and my clean gown and my hands are clean and I'm ready to go. I'm going to take my cloth, my wrap material, set it at the table, set it on the table. This is a square wrap method, also known as a parallel method or parallel wrap, and the bottom edge of the cloth is parallel to the table, hence the name. So I'm going to inspect it for any holes or any tears just to make sure it's intact before it goes into the sterilizer, and I'm going to put this item to be wrapped in the center of it. I'm going to bring the bottom edge up and over, give a little fold to create a cuff to allow for easy removal that will keep the sterile field intact when the item is being unwrapped. Then I'm going to take the top edge and bring it down over top of the bring it down over the top and create a cuff again for aseptic removal of the wrap. Then I'm going to start on the left side and I'm going to bring that up and over and again create a cuff for aseptic removal, and do the same on the right, covering up the first cuff. Then I'll take my indicator tape to secure the wrap, and I'll place the label on it. I can either put the label on the top or on the side of the kit if I am planning to stack that on a shelf so that it's easy to see. And the label should always have the contents of the kit, where the kit is meant to go, either in the ER, the OR, or a specific department, the date that it was wrapped, and also my initials, because I'm the one who's responsible for this wrapping job. And that's it. That one's all ready to go into sterilization. So next I'm going to do an envelope wrap. So I've got my cloth and I've inspected it to make sure it's all intact, and I've placed it on the table sort of in a diamond with one of the corners pointing towards me or pointing down. And I'm going to take my item to be wrapped and place it in the middle. I'm going to bring the bottom edge up to cover the surface and make a little fold to create a tab or a cuff. Then I'm going to start on the left side and bring that over and again create a little tab or a little cuff, and do the same on the right, making sure that it overlaps the first one. Then I'll bring the top down, do a little tuck just to make sure that comes down nice and neat and doesn't create any pockets of that would allow air or moisture to pool. And just fold that underneath to create a little lip or a tab, just like that, to allow that to be easily pulled open for aseptic unwrapping of that kit when it is meant to be used, or the item. I'm going to put some indicator tape on the two edges to secure the wrapping, and I'm going to place my label with the name of the item, date, and initials on the top, or you could place it on the side. Now I've wrapped these only once. In the MDR, you would usually only wrap once if you were using a double ply wrap made of synthetic non-woven materials. Normally, if you were using a 1-ply material, you would wrap it a second time. So before you tape it and label it, you would wrap it and then put it on a fresh sheet, check for holes, check for tears, wrap it a second time in the exact same way, and then tape it and label it, and then it would be ready for sterilization. That is called a sequential wrap. So that's all for my demonstration for today, and hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day. Thanks.